ही कहा था कि चुन्नीलाल उठेगा। क्यों? तूने तो समझ लिया था ना, है? सोच लिया कि मेरी माँ तो बेवकूफ़ है, उसे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में क्या मालूम। मुझे तो पहले से ही मालूम था। अब बता, उठ गया ना? अब कल जाकर बेच आना और फिर हे भगवान, अरे क्या काम इस पैसे का। मैं तो पोते का मुंह देखे बिना ही चली जाऊंगी। तेरे पिता मरहूम का तो नाम ही मिट जाएगा। सुन, वो टॉयलेट के बारे में नीचे वालों से बात की, आज भी पानी भर गया था। जाने क्या पाप किया है मैंने। तो कोई लड़की ही पसंद नहीं आती। तेरा मन नहीं करता घर बसाने को? रमेश तुमसे 6 महीने छोटा है, 2 बच्चे हैं उसके, तुमसे आधा कमाता है। उसकी माँ हर रोज दोपहर को मेरे पोतों का मुंह देखकर मुझे जलाती है। तेरा तो दिमाग ही नहीं है। हे भगवान, पगला गया है क्या? अरे चड्डी में घूमेगा?
Yeah, that's yours. Especially my mom.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. Welcome, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, and of course lovely children. Sangeet for our beloved Aditi and our dear son, son-in-law. And marriage will take place tomorrow.
You like the only bartender here. I ordered a Bacardi Coke like 20 minutes ago. Just a second.
Gin with tonic, no ice, lots of gin. Like that too.
पटवारे के बाद असी लुटे फटाया था। साडा कोई अग्गा पिछा नहीं सी। तेज प्राजी और गांधी टब्बर नहीं साड़ी देख पाती सी। मैंने पढ़ाया, लिखाया, अपने पैरों पे खड़ा किया।
Move, man.
ऐसा नहीं होता लोग। कोई किसी अब तो आप भी आ रहे हमारी फैमिली में।
वेलकम जी, वेलकम।
आपकी आंखों से शराब झलक रही है, आपके चेहरे गुलाब से महक रहे हैं।
Who's that clown?
That's my dad.
Varun, you can't say no now. Please, Varun. Listen, don't take out your parents' gussa on me, yeah? Varun, please. I told you, I don't care about anything anymore. I don't care. And that's decided.
अल्लाह करे जोरे शबाब और भी ज्यादा, और भी ज्यादा।
In my opinion, you Punjabis are way too ostentatious.
In my opinion, you Bengalis are way too pretentious.
Touche, Riya.
This is Jibesh, Mandana, this is Mrs. Rai, Aditi's ma-in-law.
Acha, Riya, get me a rum and coke.
Rani, please go get it yourself.
Please. Yeah, I would. But I know so many people who know my parents. Please just get it. Please.
We will start this evening
Okay.
with a धमाकेदार item by our own beloved Aisha. Please, Aisha.
What's the matter?
I don't want to do the dance anymore.
Shit. I'm so sorry to hear that.
I don't know what to do. I need to just... Rahul, you can do it. I mean, you've seen us rehearse the steps so many times.
Crazy.
You can make up the steps as we go along. You said that you love to dance. Please, I'm begging you. I really need your help.
I can dance, but it's not a nightclub in Melbourne, you know. I can't dance to this music.
Such a bloody Firangi.
I just fell from grace.
Oh, darling, you have to be standing up in order to be able to fall. I mean, if you keep sitting on your ass, nothing's going to happen. गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदानी जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेगा जो घुटनों के बल चले. Listen, sweetheart, the main thing is you have to fight the battle.
Really? Let's talk.
Talk. Why would you want to talk?
Alice?
Ah, here comes my kissing cousin Aditi.
Sister.
Hi, lovebirds.
Okay. I can only handle one woman at a time.
Oh, really? Don't tire yourself out. Tomorrow's the big night.
Oh yeah, and don't corrupt my elder sister, huh?
यार तुम सारे ने गाने सुने मैं शशि का नहीं सुने हाँ
शशि
वो करके मानो बाबू
पूरी रौनक हो जाएगी
अब अंजाम करेंगी शशि जी
भाई मेरा गला खराब है कोई
I don't like kissing.
Typical man. सीधा वहीं जाओ.
No, really. I get just so confused about what to do. Does your tongue go right in? Does it move around? Does it stay still? It just makes me too nervous.
Don't think. Just go with the flow. Don't think. I wish I could do that.
I don't know. I mean, kissing could be great, but my mind starts buzzing with the weirdest thoughts, and suddenly I'm thinking of some banal practical thing that needs to be taken care of.
I don't know what the big deal is. I know all about kissing.
Really, baby?
Acha, everything.
Yeah, what's the big deal?
No big deal.
It's gross. You open your mouth and he sticks his tongue in. Yeah, don't you know that's how older people kiss?
So let's go. She's exhausted.
Bye. Bye.
See you, Varun.
Bye, Varun.
मेरे महबूब न मांग मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग मैंने समझा था कि तू है तो दरख्शा है हयात तेरा गम है तो गमे जहर का झगड़ा क्या है
Mr. Carlton, yeah, one moment.
सूरत से है आलम में बहारों को सवार तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है तू जो मिल जाए तो
Absolutely not.
I don't know.
Thank you. Oh, she's tired and cranky. I thought I'd get her for a drive.
Thanks. That's right.
Yeah. Sorry.
Riya?
Absolutely.
Yeah, what's happening?
Told you to call.
सुनिए, तेज भाई साहब को देखा? ऊंचे लंबे.
What's the matter, Riya?
Just let her go.
Huh? Is anything the matter, beta? What is it?
Just let her go. Chalo.
Let her go from what?
You bastard. Chalo, Alia. Are you all right?
Have you gone mad? I don't know. Maybe she's had a bit too much to drink, huh?
Alia, andar jao.
What happened?
It wasn't enough that he touched me when I was a girl. That wasn't enough that you had to teach Alia how older people kiss.
Riya, will you stop this nonsense?
What did you get out of it? I sick man!
बदतमीज, पागल!
7 afternoons. 7 afternoons of how old people kiss.
Riya.
You took my clothes off.
Riya,
Open your mouth, Riya. Riya, open your mouth. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. And now he's doing it all over again to Alia.
She's lying, Lalit. She's lying.
You don't want to believe me? Then fine. I'm not a part of this. I'm not a part of you.
Say something, Lalit. She's lying. She's
You
lying.
know I don't lie, Chachu. You know it. You know I don't lie.
She's lying, Lalit. Unmarried girls like Riya, they make up all these
Riya,
fantasies.
Riya, Riya, you can't go away like this. Riya, please. Riya. She's mad. They're all going crazy.
संभाल ले पिमी। Riya? 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 ऐसे नहीं करते बेटा। चल कर चल। Come, I want you to come home with me just now. And I don't want to listen to anything. Please, huh? Just change your clothes and come home with me. Huh? I'll wait for you in the other room.
Don't pretend like nothing happened.
Riya, I'm not pretending.
You are. You are.
Beta,
You are.
I don't even know how to console you, Riya. What you have gone through, I can't even imagine it. मेरी समझ में नहीं आता बेटा मैं क्या करूं?
हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते जज.
Riya, if you don't come home, तेरे बगैर अदिति की शादी नहीं हो सकती. I'm telling you that. Come home, Riya. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do, Riya. My hands are tied. तेज भाई साहब and our family goes back a very long way. उनके बड़े एहसान है हमारे पे. जरा से बच्चे में हाथ जोड़ता हूँ तेरे.
Raju, please, आपकी गलती नहीं है ना.
Then why are you punishing me? And your sister and your mother? Listen to me, beta. I cannot break up my family. I cannot. Please don't ask me to make that choice. I don't know what Surinder Vaisa would have done in my position. I know I can never replace your father, but you're my child, ना? तो बच्ची नहीं है मेरी. My family means everything to me. Please don't leave us. Please. Riya, if you go, सब टूट जाएगा.
चलो चलो वरुण चलिए.
आइए प्लीज इस तरफ. थोड़ा वहाँ बैठ जाइए. ओके. What's your name, little girl? हाँ, थोड़ा इस तरफ मुड़िए प्लीज. थोड़ा सा. Very nice. Very nice. Look up, smile. Okay, smile. What a lovely family. आपका नाम क्या है प्लीज? मैम? हाँ जी.
रिया.
आप आगे आ जाइए प्लीज यहाँ पे. Come in front. भाई साहब के पैर के पास बैठ जाइए. Hold it. Eyes wide open. And 1, 2. Okay, everybody now smile together. And watch the birdie. And 3. Very good. Okay, last picture. Big smile, please.
Okay, thank you.
चलो बेटा, बड़ों का आशीर्वाद ले.
I miss you so much, Papa.
Lalita, I'll go out and receive the guests.
No. No. Raji, I don't want you to receive the Bharat. I can't do this. I can't. I'm sorry. I don't even want you here. Please. I cannot allow this, Raji. I cannot. Both of you just leave my home and my family and go.
Lalit, what do you
I don't want to say anymore. Please. Please don't make it worse. No, no, I don't want to say anything further. Please don't make it worse. These are my children, Raji. And I will protect them from myself even if I have to. Please go.
के सामान के अब जमाना लाओ
ओ मेरा पुत्र मांगो तेरी तो मैं ओ मेरे पुत्र